Hello everyone, it's Dumb Media here. Very excited to share with you a stock that has the potential to go up 20x. And this has been a major discussions actually 2-3 weeks ago when Cathy Wood thinks that Bitcoin will go up to 500,000. And she was under the impression that because the federal government has been keeping the interest rates low, and Bitcoin being a digital alternative to gold and an insurance policy against inflation, so that's why it has been going up. Also, I've been looking at other YouTubers and analysts and what they've been saying about the rising prices in Bitcoin, and they seem to believe that because before it was only the people who believe in Bitcoin, but now the institutions are starting to take it seriously, and so that's starting to go up. Most analysts are saying that within the next 12 to 18 months, Bitcoin could go from where it currently trades at 626,000 to about 100,000. The problem with Bitcoin is that if you buy Bitcoin, it could be hacked and you could lose your Bitcoin. So for that reason, there is a Bitcoin investment trust trading under the stock ticker GBTC. So in effect, what this means is that investors will have access to buy and sell shares of the trust. So GBTC also store the Bitcoin for you, which alleviate the problems of you being afraid of losing it. But the problem here is that you don't know if GBTC have Bitcoin in reserves to back it all up. And this being all new, we really don't have any accounting for this yet. Having said that, ARK Invest has been loading up on GBTC like crazy since August. The most recent weekly sale for December was 7.2 million on the 1st of December, and then December 18, 7.3 million, and then they continue to buy GBTC from December 21st until December 24th. And we all know that ARK Invest, they don't buy companies that do not make them money. And I think this is definitely one of those disruptive stock that could go, it could go up to 20x if this is all true and if Cathy Wood's prediction is correct. So I think this is something that's definitely worth looking into. And I actually had transferred some money over to Robinhood to buy maybe a little bit of the Bitcoin. Now, you cannot trade GBTC on a Robinhood. It has to be traded on the OTC market like Charles Schwab. Okay, well that's all for today. I hope that you find the information helpful. If it is, please consider subscribing, like, and share. Thank you.